Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you exactly how I create my YouTube thumbnails using just two simple apps, PicsArt and Fonto. So if you're into aesthetic and cute thumbnails, this one is for you. For today's thumbnail, I've selected two photos and one video. I'll be taking a screenshot from the video and using it in the collage. So if you want, you can also take a screenshot from your video and include it in your thumbnail. It works really well. First, I select the photos I want to use. I arrange them in a collage format that feels balanced and neat. And PicsArt makes it super easy to adjust borders, change spacing and move the images around until it feels just right. If I want to make it a little cuter, I sometimes add stickers like sparkles, stars or a bow depending on the theme of the video. If you want, you can also use the Draw tab in PicsArt to sketch or add custom doodles however you like. It's great for adding creative touches. Once I'm happy with the collage, I save it to my gallery and then it's time for Fonto. Open Fonto and import the collage. Now for the fun part, adding text. I usually use clean or cute fonts depending on the vibe, and these are some of my favorites. Fonto has some amazing options like tilt, move, curve. I love using them to match the style of my thumbnail and make the text look cute. Sometimes I also use a website from Google to find cute and minimal emojis for my thumbnails. I just copy paste them in the Fonto app. They make the design look soft and trendy. Once everything looks good, I export the thumbnail in full resolution. Finally, I open the thumbnail in my iPhone gallery and fix some adjustments like brightness, contrast or warmth. Just a few tweaks and you are done.